Hello YouTube, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how to sign in or sign out from YouTube. So without any delay, let's move to our topic. Open your browser, then search for YouTube. So in the right side, you see an option of sign in. For sign in, you require an email address. So press sign in. Now select your account, press next, and now you have been signed in to YouTube. So browse YouTube with your email address. By giving the email address or sign into YouTube, YouTube suggests your videos according to your interest. So if you want to sign out from your account, simply click on your profile icon in the right side and you see option of sign out. Press sign out. So here you can see that your account will be signed out. And here the option sign in available again. So this is the simple way to how to sign in or sign out from YouTube. Hope this video helped to solve your problem of how to sign in or sign out from YouTube. If you have any question, you can ask that question in comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.